Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about interfaces in Java, part of programming in Java course. In Java, an interface is a collection of abstract methods without a body that defines a contract for the behavior of a class. An interface can also contain constant variables. A class that implements an interface must provide an implementation for all the methods defined in the interface. An interface is defined using the interface keyword, and it can contain only abstract methods and constant variables. Here is an example of an interface. In this example, the shape interface defines an abstract method, draw, and two constant variables x and y. The circle class implements the shape interface and provides an implementation for the draw method. A class can implement multiple interfaces. For example, in this example, the class circle is implementing two interfaces, shape and color. It is important to note that an interface cannot be instantiated with the new operator, but it can be used to create objects of classes that implement. Also, by default, all the methods in an interface are public and abstract, and variables in an interface are public, static, and final. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.